In this problem, we are given an array of distinct integers and we need to replace the array element with their corresponding rank in the array. Here the corresponding rank means their position in the sorted array. Let's take this example. If we sort it, we will get 6, 10, 12, 15 and 20. The positions are these. Now let's replace the elements with their position. We'll get 2, 4, 3, 1 and 5. We can do this using a max heap. But before going to the max heap, let's make a pairs of the element with their corresponding indices. The pairs are 10, 0, 15, 1, 12, 2, 6, 3 and 20, 4. Now let's make max heap using the first value in the pairs. But we know in max heap the parent is always greater than child. Here it will heapify and we will get 10, 0, 12, 6 and 20. Here it will heapify again and we get 20, 15, 10, 6 and 12. Now let's assign the size of the array to some variable. Here the size is 5. Now if we pop out 20, 4 from this heap, we will use this second value as the index of the array and we will assign it to the value of x. Then we will decrease the value of x by 1. Now x becomes 4. Now if we remove 20, 4, 15, 1, 10, 0, 6, 3 and 12, 2. Now if we remove 15, 1, we will assign it with the value of x and we will decrease the value of x by 1. Now do the same procedure until the size of the heap becomes 0. If we remove 15, 1, 6, 3 take its place and it will heapify again. Finally we get heap as 12, 2, 10, 0 and 6, 3. Now replace it with value of x and decrease the x. The heap now becomes 10, the heap now becomes 10, 0 and 6, 3. Do the same. Now heap only contains a single pair. And since there are no more pairs in the heap, we will stop it. So the values are, so now the array becomes 2, 4, 3, 1, 5. This is the final answer. The output matches with our answer. So this is the procedure. We first take max heap and we pop out the root element and assign it with the size of the array and we will decrease it until there are no elements in the heap. Thank you.